Hey guys, and welcome back to another little Grower Solutions short video here. I want to discuss something with you. We do get the call quite regularly if our ground stakes need to go driven directly into the soil, or if we need to concrete our posts in the ground. And the general answer is the soil is fine. You know, a lot of times you're working with red clay or any kind of hard pan, you're gonna be fine driving right into it. We're actually putting up another demo house here at Grower Solution. We're gonna put up our Super Duty low sidewall here. We've driven our ground stakes in, and we started to put our bows up. And we found a perfect chance to show you when maybe concrete might work for your particular build. So what we've run into here is all these ground stakes went in real nice, real easy. We didn't hit any rocks. But now we've put these bows up and we were getting ready to assemble the entire bows all the way down the house. And what we found out is that our ground stakes are in disturbed soil. As you can see, there is a garden bed behind me here. This has been grown in for over 7 years. So the tilling and the composting and everything that's gone on here has just created a situation where there's no stability to our ground stake here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pull these bows down, pull the ground stakes out. We're gonna put our post hole diggers to work here, and we're gonna put about a half bag concrete in just to solidify it down in the hole, pack everything back in, and then we'll get these bows hung. Thanks for stopping by. Remember to subscribe and like the video.